Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Tony in Texas on its Galaxy DX99 V2. Tony, we got it ready to go for you, my friend. I'll show you what we got. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, in AM mode, half-watt carrier, 100-watt slug. Let's go back to this here, 5-watt slug. A little over 5-watt carrier there. We're going to roll the carrier back down here. 100-watt slug. Average power. Hello. That's 17, 18-ish on the average power. Peak watts. Hello. Audio. 42, 43 peak. Alright, Tony is ready to come to you, my friend. We appreciate it. Get this hooked up on that shockwave antenna. Your friend Truck, truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.